Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a lace front installation. I know I did one of these. Actually, my first video of this year was a lace front amateur installation. And I also had another wig video a few weeks ago, but that wig was kind of, yeah. But anyway, this is actually really nice looking blonde lace front wig off Amazon. I'll show you guys the screenshot of the product, and I'm excited for this. So this is from the brand Cutie Tizer. Their collection, affordable, nice long blonde wig here. But anyways, so today I am going to be doing things a little bit different than I did in past wig videos. I'm using the Got2b Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. And I do have my Got2b glue, there's the regular one over here on the side just in case. But I'm excited because I've actually never really used this before, and it's very popular online. So we're going to be working with this today and do another amateur installation. So if you guys want to see how I got these brows, these brushed up bushy brows, check my last video. It's the Anastasia brow freeze gel. Yeah, so we're putting on hair today. If you're interested, stay tuned. Here we are. Now, I did take it out and look at it already, so if it looks a little mangled, it's my fault. It comes with a wig cap. That's always convenient, even though I do have some of my own. I usually, I only use these wig caps one time because I get glue all over them. All right, so I have shorter hair. I'm obviously not gonna like braid it, but I am gonna kind of try and slick it back a bit. And then I just tuck this hair up under. This is what I do as somebody with short hair. Okay. Some people will pull it over the ear and cut an ear hole. I personally don't like doing that and haven't had much luck with it. So next step, secure the wig cap. I try to like do it back there by my ear too. Woo, that's cold. So yeah, I'm just like, I'm not that worried about my sideburns because I know the hair is gonna cover them, but in some situations, this would be something you would want to take care of. All right, I'm gonna plug in my blow dryer, my ancient blow dryer, by the way, and apply some heat. So I just remembered that my good scissors, I accidentally super glued them shut, so I'm gonna have to try and find something to cut this. I got them unglued. Just wanna make sure this is nice and secure. It still feels a little wet. I don't have a lot of patience. Oh, that's normal for that to happen. These are actually fabric shears, best scissors I have. I'm gonna try to fix this sideburn situation a little bit because I don't like that. All right, I'll be back. We're gonna take the Got2b Glued, the actual gel glue, sure this is secure. It's tacky. Here she is. I forget how many inches, I think it's like 27. This glue is kind of tacky right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it. Alright, it's looking good, but I gotta fix it. Okay, so there's that kind of fastener thing in the back of most wigs. I'm trying to hook together right now. There, I got it. So, oh, see, I got my dark hair because I did kind of a sloppy job with the wig cap in the back. So, hopefully that ain't gonna show through. Let's move this forward a little bit. Okay, back a tiny bit. Okay, for the most part, I'm really liking this. It is time to cut the lace. I forgot something. I think you're supposed to glue very front of the lace. This is really pretty though. Love the hairline of this wig. Okay guys, so I finished cutting the lace off and I feel like I need to add a little bit more. See, I feel like it's really convenient if you have both of these products to work with together, because one is a spray and one you can like take your finger and actually place it right where you want. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a minute and I'm gonna probably put on a little more foundation on my forehead. I didn't really put foundation on my forehead today yet. So this wig didn't really come with its own baby hair, so some people might like cut the wig and make their own, but I like the hairline of this wig and I think I'm gonna leave it how it is. So my only complaint for this process is with myself that I didn't tuck my hair in the back under my cap that good. Yeah. A lot of people like to put the concealer or foundation like over the actual wig cap, but I didn't want to do that today. I think for the price, this looks really good. Like, besides my own issues, the wig itself, like I really like the hairline and just the quality, the texture of the hair. This is synthetic hair, but you wouldn't know. This wasn't too bad. Hopefully I get better as I continue. Okay, so as I was saying, hopefully I get better as I try more hair. I already ordered another one. I will say when I pull on it, it's very secure, so shout out to Got2B.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you want more hair videos, just leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next
Life
time.
was dull
Bye!
until you came. Now I see in color.